Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Check it out. I pinch and I flip these clamps. They keep the ramp from rattling. I've got a handle on either side. So again, I pinch and I flip, and I can take this 34-inch to the ground using 34-inch wide ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. Now that 34 inches, that's 4 inches wider than most side entries. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable for you to convert, for me to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. 800-pound weight capacity. You get about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and then 56 once you're inside the van. It does taper down to about 32 inches here of width where the ramp sets. And this is the deep cut, and what that means, it'll hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney, or a stretcher. You can see we have our 8 little oval tie-down points in here. We've got our upgraded Q-string tie-downs in here. Now a lot of our competition, they're going to charge you for these upgraded tie-downs. We throw them in at no additional cost to you. We've got our spare tire here. Headliner's in good shape. Got your rear air controls up there. What this has is the flip-based seats. So we've got our 2+2 seating, 2 seats up front, 2 in the second row. We can also put a third row seat that'll flip up and down in this van if you need us to. We can put some super narrow jump seats in here, but these will flip up, so check out. In a matter of seconds, we can take one of these seats, flip the armrests up. You can flip it down here with the handle. It'll move fast, so see, that'll move quick. So don't get in the way of it, or use your other hand to brace it. But pull this lever out forwards and pull the seat towards us. So I had to put my camera down, but once to get 2 hands on it, once you get it started, flips up just like so. In a matter of seconds, you can have both seats flipped out of the way, have an entire 34-inch canal clear. This will really help you if you want to haul 2 chairs at a time, or if you just have 1 chair and you want to get the passenger closer to the driver up here so you can converse easier. That will also help. Got our tie-down warranty and information here. Got your cup holders, got your plug-ins for your electronics. Even more cup holders there. Got your dual climate control, your rear air. Got your radio there. You can have a little auxiliary cord, and the dash is in great shape. This van overall is in excellent condition. No cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. As I exit the van, just reverse the process. Again, 1 finger, check it out. Lift it up, clamp it down, you're ready to roll. Now, our warranty comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on our conversion. Now our competition, a lot of them don't have any kind of warranty on their conversion. Some 1 year, 12,000 miles, some 3 years, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare those to our 3-year unlimited mile warranty. Now, they're going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do, and I mean, what do you expect them to say? You know, but ask them what their warranty is, compare our warranties, and you tell me. If theirs isn't 3 years unlimited miles, you tell me who has the better built conversion. Tinted windows in the back, keep your privacy, keep you nice and cool in the summertime. Body's nice and clean. I'm looking for little spots of scratches or tiny dents. I'm not gonna say this van's perfect, but it's very nice. Has 4 new tires on it. Check that out, 4 new tires on it. Tires aren't gonna be a problem for quite a while, depending on how you drive. I see 1 tiny door ding about the size of my fingernail right here. Now listen, all vans that are 8 years old like this van, they're gonna have very minor blemishes in them. Some more than minor, but you know, it's gonna have little minor signs of wear. Only difference is I'm honest enough to show them to you. I'm honest enough to point them out. I'm not trying to portray this as a perfect van, but it's a very, very nice, very well taken care of van. And no matter who you do business with, check out their, make sure you get a video of the VIN number. And why I say a video of the VIN number is there's a lot of scammers out there. They're taking pictures of our vans. They're cutting out our emblem up here, our sign, and they're posting this on Facebook Marketplace. That's where all the scammers are. Most of them is Facebook Marketplace. They're saying the van, $15,000, first $1,000 deposit. Well, they're trying to get you to send them $1,000. All they're trying to do. When you do, they're going to disappear. So I'm Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility here. There's the VIN number. You can see it's in my possession. Boom, not a scam. So, and I tell our customers we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on our vans. It's very simple. We've got 1 location right here in Wichita, Kansas. We can ship free anywhere, any corner of the country is not too far from me. Imagine those big box store companies out there that've got the 10, 20, 30, 40 dealerships. Imagine how many employees they have. I have 6. You know, we keep our production high, our efficiency high, and our overhead low. So it's really simple math. It's not something magic we're doing. We have one location. That's how we save you $5,000 to $10,000 on our van. So be sure to compare us to the competition. See a little touch-up paint right here. It's like someone's little scratch or something like that, but it's very simple math. That's how we do it. All right, speaking of that VIN number, we run a Carfax on every one of our vehicles before we buy it. You can see no accidents or damage on this Carfax, and has one row here. That one row means one owner. I don't know why Carfax doesn't always put the one owner up here, but if it had two owners, it'd be 2 rows, 3 owners, 3 rows, so on and so forth. So one owner, no accidents or damage. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, and no open recalls. Now, no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reputation. Find me on eBay. Been doing business selling on eBay since 2004, so almost 20 years now. 1,553 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100%. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company, which you can see we are. Check out our 4.8 out of 5 star reviews. We've got a ton of reviews here. I hear people telling me horror stories all the time, how they bought from a private individual, someone they knew nothing about. Would they do business with one of these dealers that's got 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews here, folks? It doesn't take 30 seconds to get online and look at somebody's reviews. So if you want 1 and 2 and 3 star experience and 1 and 2 and 3 star vans, you work with the private individuals, end up with a salvage title you weren't told about, a vehicle with major mechanical issues, maybe flood damage, deal with low-end dealers and private individuals. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years now, I look forward to working with you. Okay, back to the van. We got 2 keys and 2 fobs here. Got the keyless entry on it. When I open it up, got your nice black cloth interior, and I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. I'll tell you what, this interior looks darn near brand new. It is super clean. And you can see the second row of seating much the same. Again, these seats look brand new. Whoever had this van took amazing care of it. Now when I hop in to start up the van, you can see that current miles 29,547. Original miles confirmed by Carfax. You can see all the dummy lights work and they all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights. I'm gonna show you that radio works. I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors and windows on this van. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna move them all so you can see they're working. We've tested all the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Taking these on a road test. Tires are new, obviously. Even got the back vent windows showing you those are working. My point is, I hope you can tell by our videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. I don't just run these through the car wash like many dealers do and put them on the lot and try and sell them and make it your problem. They're very thoroughly inspected before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, I have a 3.6 V6, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it sounds great as I crawl underneath the van. Much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any water damage from a flood. No signs of any oil or any fluid leaks. And no signs of any rust. You have to bring up north in the rust belt. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures. They assume because it only has 29,000 miles on it. They assume it's got a clean title, never been in a bad accident. They assume it's never been in a flood. Folks, I got news for you. I want you to think about this. How many brand new car dealerships right now, today in the spring, are being flooded because of all the rain? Just because it's a brand new car doesn't mean it hasn't been in a flood. So a used car, definitely you want to check that stuff. There's millions of brand new cars that get flooded every year. So no matter who you do business with, find them online. And I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage so you can see there's no water damage under here, there's no bent frame from an accident? And do they climb up on an overpass to get you pictures of the roof and do a video of the roof? You have no idea how many vehicles I see at auction, especially the taller vehicles. They've got hail damage on the roof or bent, really a lot of damage up there. See this overpass here? I crawl up here on this ledge down here, I take you pictures of the roof. So not a lot of people look at the roof. You know who does? Me. And I get you pictures so I can show you exactly what you're getting. So when it comes to price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. Tell me what ends up happening if you end up buying a van that you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual, and you've got a van that won't pass inspection in your state because of frame damage from an accident or a flood. Well, in both those cases, you just bought a vehicle you can't register. If you can't register it, you can't even drive it. So no matter who you buy from, do these 4 things to avoid those problems and so many more. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, this is a major purchase. You're not buying a handbag off Amazon for 50 bucks. This is a big deal. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month. I spend that money because they have the best information on vehicle history reports. I demand the best. You should as well. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. We've already gone over this a little bit. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty to make sure we stand behind our products. Let's get her out for a test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence, made sure it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Runs and drives like a brand new vehicle, darn near. It's a very nice van. Do keep in mind we have a complimentary 90-day warranty at no additional charge to you. We do sell long-term warranties that cover not only the component, but that cover additional components on the van. I believe we can go out to 4 years on a vehicle this age. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. See, I got the cruise control there set as well. And I do keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online, but they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you added the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Say no to hidden fees. So, and be sure to ask about those fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, transparency is key, but none more important than the used car business. And that's exactly why I'm out here today making this video for you, to be 100% transparent. So be sure to think about that when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake. You'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text is honestly the fastest way to get hold of us. We stay super busy, but hey, if you're a caller and text isn't your thing, give us a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I'm the owner. That's a direct line to reach out to me. Call or text, and I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person, that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this Caravan, whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins even from across the country, whether standard or a mobility vehicle. Call me or text us. I can explain how that works. And if you do want to come in to see our vehicles, we would love that, but you must make an appointment with us. You have no idea how many people will show up from across the country, and I'll be at an auction or something like that, and I ask, did you see our videos? Did you see to make an appointment? Well, yeah, but no. You have to make an appointment with us. We're busy every second of the day. We got 4 different locations here in Wichita, So let me be efficient with your time. I don't want to miss you. Call me, make an appointment. Let me know what you're looking at. We'll make it happen. We'll get it all organized and ready for you. Just please make that appointment. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but it's a major purchase, so I try to be as thorough as possible. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every single vehicle, and no hidden fees. So you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us or preferably text us today. Have yourself a wonderful day, and thanks for checking us out.